Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ben and this is Prism Prints. For this project, I'm making Fenrir, a giant wolf in Norse mythology and one of Loki's 3 children who is foretold to kill Odin during the events of Ragnarok. Fenrir is mentioned in both the Poetic Edda and Prose Edda through multiple texts. In Gylfaginning, a main part of the Prose Edda, the story of how Fenrir was tricked and locked up by the Aesir, a group of gods consisting of Odin, Thor, Freya, and several others, is written about in a few chapters. A prophecy told to Odin, in which he'll be eaten by Fenrir during Ragnarok, prompted the Aesir to come up with a plan to imprison the wolf in some way. He couldn't just be killed by the gods since he was also born in Asgard. Under the guise of testing one's strength, they challenged Fenrir with 3 increasingly strong fetters, or restraints. After the first 2 chains were broken out of, the Aesir conspired with the dwarves to make a chain that would get the job done. Since Fenrir was powerful enough to break any binding the gods had, the third was made with 6 mythical objects, giving it an almost magical resilience. When the gods approached with this third challenge, Fenrir was suspicious. He would allow them to put the restraint on only if someone was willing to put their hand in his mouth as a show of good faith that this wasn't a trick. Tyr, one of the gods, would then step forward believing it was the only way to get Fenrir to agree and avoid this horrible fate for Odin. In a moment, Fenrir was bound by restraints which grew tighter with each struggle, and Tyr lost his right hand. In later writings, the prophecy would still come to fruition. Fenrir would be freed thanks to his 2 offspring, Skoll and Hati, devouring the sun and moon. Odin would then face Fenrir as one of the events of Ragnarok and be killed. As a result, Odin's son Vidar would avenge his father and be the one to end Fenrir. The story of Fenrir looks at themes of chaos versus order, deception, and consequences. Fenrir is seen as a symbol of destruction and upheaval. I wonder though, if Odin had never seen the events to come and Fenrir was never bound, how would the prophecy have played out given there was no deception? Just made me think. For this sculpt, I decided to go with the moment after Fenrir broke the second chain. The story gets kind of graphic after that point, and I didn't really want to sculpt a wolf like that. I hope you all like the finished model and enjoyed learning a little more Norse mythology with me. Also, this STL is available on my Cults 3D page. The link is in the pinned comment below. If you enjoy this type of content and feel I've earned it, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you so much.